Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to make an apple tart. Basically another way to make a little apple pie. But I'm starting out with some puff pastry, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball into thirds is what I'm looking for. And we're going to make little slits. I'm not left-handed, so this will be a trick. And you just want to keep doing that all the way down this side and this side. So I won't make you watch me do all that. I'll bring you back whenever I've got it all cut. Alright, so now I want to take it off of this and move it into my pan that I have lined with foil. So I'm just going to lay that over for a second. This is very soft dough. Very soft dough, so I'm just going to gently take it off of its paper. Okay. Once it's on here, we need to pull our sides back apart. If I had used a bigger pan, I could have just already had it on the foil, but I didn't want to waste a larger pan. And this is not such a big deal to unfold it again. Now meanwhile, I do have my oven preheating, and I'm using the instructions on the gland that I bought. So it's preheating to 425 right now. Now you can make your own filling, but I just picked up an apple pie filling, and that's what we're going to use today. And I just want to spread it out here in the middle. Won't take quite the whole can, it looks like. Have a little bit left over, so if you have any biscuits or anything and you want to munch out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start at the top, and we're going to cross over like so and pull that up. Take the next one and bring it over. Mine got really soft. It's best to do this when it's still pretty cold so it doesn't stick on itself quite so bad. Looks like I'm going to have some extra dough. And that's fine. And that's my oven letting me know it's preheated. Alright, so now we're just going to tuck these last little bits under. You don't have to. And I have this on a pan with sides on the foil just in case it does leak out. Now I'm going to take this leftover dough Now you could do something cute like cut out a little apple shape and maybe put there or down here. But I'm just going to make a little mini tart up here and just put a couple of the slices on it. That'll be my snack when it's done. Just do a little fold over. Doesn't have to be fancy. Now if you want, you can also sprinkle right now some cinnamon on there. I don't think it needs it, but just know that you can. Right now we're going into the oven at 425 degrees. We're just going to watch it. It could take up to 30 minutes depending on your oven. So we'll get this in the oven. Alright, so we got it out of the oven, and isn't it cute? Wouldn't that be pretty at a holiday dinner? So now just personally, the reason I don't put the cinnamon on, I just want to do a glaze, almost like a donut glaze, just something light. So I'm just going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla. And a 1/4 cup of milk. This is one of those times I wish I had a clear vanilla. So it would be a prettier glaze. It would be clear, white, kind of clear. But instead it takes on that darkness of the vanilla. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of drizzle. You could just pour it over, depending on how much you like. And if you make your own filling, you may have enough flavoring in the filling that you don't want a glaze, and that's okay too. Oh yeah, and the little one over there for me is a snack. Alright, I'm going to let this cool just a little bit before I cut it. I'll bring you right back. I also wanted to tell you guys, I did the long tart because I like the way it looks. But you can also make it round and do the same little splits out, and cross over, you know, make like a little braid going around and or coming inward. It doesn't even have to come all the way in. You could leave this much of it with the apples showing and just have that little edging. So just an idea I wanted to put out there. But so you can see, yummy, very yummy. And try the glaze. I like that better than adding the sugar and cinnamon on it. Okay, guys. Yum. I hope you have a good week this week, and I'll see you back next week. Bye.